This training program is designed to inform and educate employees about fall hazards, the importance of fall protection, relevant regulations, and the proper use of fall protection systems and equipment. The goal is to ensure safety for all employees working at heights or in environments where falls can occur. Training objectives: understand the importance of fall protection, identify types of fall hazards in the workplace, familiarize with OSHA regulations and standards related to fall protection, learn about different fall protection systems and equipment, recognize safe practices for working at heights, understand the procedures for emergency response related to fall incidents. Training agenda: introduction to fall protection, importance of fall protection, statistics on falls in the workplace, overview of training objectives, identifying fall hazards, common workplace fall hazards, conducting hazard assessments, identifying at-risk employees and activities, OSHA regulations and standards, overview of OSHA regulations related to fall protection, differences between general industry and construction standards, employer and employee responsibilities under OSHA, types of fall protection systems, guardrails, description and purpose, proper installation and maintenance, personal fall arrest systems, PFAS, components, harnesses, lanyards, and anchor points, proper fitting and usage of harnesses, safety nets, when to use safety nets, inspection and maintenance, other fall protection systems, warning lines, safety monitors, and controlled access zones, safe practices for working at heights, proper ladder safety, extension ladders, step ladders, and platform ladders, operating lift equipment safely, aerial lifts, scissor lifts, maintaining 3 points of contact while climbing, avoiding distractions, and maintaining focus at heights, emergency response procedures, what to do in the event of a fall, reporting procedures for fall incidents, basic first aid for fall-related injuries, emergency evacuation plans and procedures, equipment inspection and maintenance, daily safety checks for fall protection equipment, proper storage of fall protection gear, reporting defective equipment, scheduled maintenance and inspections. Fall protection equipment inspection checklist. This checklist is designed to ensure that all fall protection equipment is properly maintained and safe for use. Inspections should be conducted regularly, and any defects or issues must be addressed immediately. 1. Personal fall arrest systems, PFAS. Harness. Inspect for frayed or worn webbing. Check all buckles and connectors for cracks or damage. Ensure that all stitching is intact and secure. Ensure the harness is the correct size and fits properly. Lanyard. Inspect for frayed or damaged rope and webbing. Check for any cuts, burns, or wear on the lanyard. Ensure that shock absorbers, if applicable, are not deployed. Verify that all connectors, hooks, carabiners operate properly and are free of cracks. Anchor points. Inspect the structural integrity of the anchor points, no rust, damage, or corrosion. Verify that anchor points are rated for the appropriate weight. Ensure anchor points are positioned correctly and securely fastened. 2. Ladders. Step ladders. Inspect for any cracks or damage on the rungs and side rails. Ensure that all steps are secure and not missing. Verify that the ladder is clean, free of oils, and not slippery. Check that the locking mechanism functions correctly. Extension ladders. Inspect for any bends, cracks, or damages on the rungs and rails. Ensure that all rung locks and extension locks operate smoothly. Make sure the ladder reaches at a proper angle, 4:1 ratio. Verify that the base is stable and on a firm, level surface. 3. Safety nets. Installation. Inspect for any tears or damage to the netting. Verify that the safety net is properly installed with adequate clearance beneath it. Ensure that netting is secured to prevent any sagging. Maintenance. Check for any debris or objects that could hinder net effectiveness. Inspect anchors and connections for corrosion or other damage. 4. Guardrails and safety barriers. Guardrails. Verify that guardrails are installed at required heights, typically 40 inches. Check for any loose connections or gaps in the rails. Ensure that the posts are securely anchored and stable. Safety barriers. Inspect barriers for signs of damage or wear and tear. Ensure that barriers are easily visible and properly marked. 5. Training records and documentation. Ensure that all users of fall protection equipment are trained and certified. Verify that inspection records are maintained and updated after every inspection. Confirm that any defects found in this inspection are documented and reported to the designated safety officer. Fall protection (PPE) is not required for workers climbing or working on portable ladders. Why is preventing falls from ladders important? Falls continue to be the leading cause of workplace fatalities. 600 falls were responsible for 45% of workplace fatalities. 135 of the falls were from ladders. To prevent falls from ladders, make sure you have the following controls in place. Use only ladders that are in good condition and designed to handle the climbing job that needs to be done. Require employees to do a visual ladder inspection before each use. Train employees on proper ladder use. Ladder usage checklist. Be sure step ladders are fully open and locked before climbing them. Place ladder on a flat, secure surface. Place ladder on a hard surface, as it will sink into a soft surface. Place ladder on non-movable base. Lean ladder against a secure surface, not boxes or barrels. Do not place ladder in front of a door. Position base of ladder 1 foot away for every 4 feet of height to where it rests. 1:4 ratio. Ladder rails, if equipped, should extend at least 3 feet above top landing. Check shoes to ensure they are free of grease or mud. Mount the ladder from the center, not from the side. Face ladder when ascending or descending, and hold on with both hands. Carry tools in pockets, in a bag attached to a belt, or raised and lowered by rope. Don't climb higher than the 3rd rung from the top. Work facing the ladder. Do not overreach. Always keep your torso between the ladder rails. When using ladder for high places, securely lash or fasten the ladder to prevent slipping. Avoid outdoor ladder use on windy days. Avoid aluminum ladders if work must be done around electrical wires or power lines. Key takeaways: understanding hazards. We learn to identify common fall hazards in the workplace and the importance of recognizing them to prevent accidents. Importance of fall protection. The training emphasized the necessity of using appropriate fall protection systems, including guardrails, personal fall arrest systems, and safety nets, to safeguard against falls. Proper ladder usage. We discussed best practices for ladder selection, inspection, setup, and safe climbing techniques. Remember to always maintain 3 points of contact and avoid overreaching to stay safe. Emergency preparedness. Knowing what to do in the event of a fall or injury is crucial. Follow established emergency response protocols and report any incidents promptly. Your role. As an employee, you play a significant part in promoting a culture of safety within our organization. By applying what you've learned today, always wear the necessary fall protection equipment when working at heights. Use ladders safely and responsibly. Report any unsafe conditions or equipment malfunctions immediately. Commitment to safety. Safety is a shared responsibility. Let's commit to supporting each other by following safety protocols, conducting regular inspections, and participating in ongoing safety training. If you have any further questions or need clarification on specific topics discussed during the training, please don't hesitate to reach out to your supervisor or the safety team. Your safety is our top priority, and we are here to ensure you have all the resources you need to work safely. Thank you again for your attention and commitment to workplace safety. Together, we can create a safer work environment for everyone. Stay safe,